Daddy boy. Daddy. I don't see your life this scatter, so I don't go blame you. Daddy. What man?
I beg no verse. You know what? Let's say, where you want go? Where they go?
I mean, I don't look for fire. Look, I go.
I go see him. Go. He's there. The guy there.
Yeah.
No be your mate, but go. The guy there.
I don't want to. I see you this scatter now. I think I just greet you. Understand? Daddy, what did happen?
You know why? If I no pack come up for this house, no wahala. See, since why they wear all these tight trousers, now they enjoy, they happy because now they dress well, they wear better clothes. I mean, no wahala. I know what to do. See, come on, say ma go check whether I fit buy clothes from this guy shop.
Uche.
Good.
See, ma tell you.
Come on, say ma go buy clothes there.
See, Daddy wife, you no need Uche to get better clothes. Now the world don't dey connected, everything dey digital now. To the extent that you fit buy everything online, digital now. See, person what they talk to? Online.
What they connected with what?
With wire and phone.
With wire.
With your smartphone, you fit buy anything online, digital. Me, I dey shit online, and I dey clean yash.
Online. You wear the clothes. Tomorrow I will carry the clothes.
No. You will collect next week, idiot. I tell you say you will collect something tomorrow. You have to whether you will.
Come, wait. That's say you get plan for this my phone. You won't sell this phone, I know.
Yes, I love you take your phone. Come on, take this thing. You think I won't carry your phone, go. Guy, make I meet you back.
Go.
Look at
when I go smoke.
Look at
The matter don't finish.
Tomorrow, you go get am. No be lie.
Your mind still that thing.
Tomorrow you go get am.
Your only go dey try.
Then very soon, you say you go come dey do am on your own. On your own, everything online.
Let's say you go in the smoke now, all this dead. Yeah! That's this thing there for lie too. Yeah. Devil, you are a liar. Don't say they no fit return. I mean they no fit do an amendment. Then I go return am now. Yes. I go return am online. So far if you buy online, if you return online. Online. Imagine. Online. You no go let me. Hey! Online. Hey. Bishop, online. My hand, online.
Hey, Game criminal, menene ba? What you do for your friends together?
Online.
La ilaha illallah.
Bishop say make I connect my phone with wire.
What you Bishop connect your phone for wire?
Make I buy clothes.
Well, never I declare
I
ba.
want to return am.
Allah, you no get it for sense. Person you go query for phone, you go collect it for wire. Then you go collect. Well, Allah, if this hand, you go quarter. Well, you go quarter. Bet it for Sule.
Bishop go buy my phone online.
No, you go buy my hand online. Well, I declare it ba. He be that. He dey quarter for aboki, am I no get it for bread. Allahu Akbar. Whatever it be Mungu pa. Well, aboki better pass me. Nonsense. Come on here. See, I had nothing there. Nonsense.
Oh God, online, phone online, hand online. Hi, oh God. Yeah. I go buy everything online. Bishop, you go buy my hand online, buy my phone back online. Yeah? Hey. You see Bishop, Abi? Bishop, oh God. If you enter this house today, I will not do things online. If you don't kill me, I will kill you online. Better online. See what you online do. Man, connect phone with wire.
That's right. Jesus! Obani!
Bring it from my hand.
Now, so the thing do you reach?
Bishop, you see your handwork?
Hey!
Okay. So what do? You plan now, huh? Okay.
Nah, Sule tell me say you go carry wire. Connect am with your phone. With NEPA. Online.
That's what you tell me. Good.
Digital.
So this is your prayer, right? This second hand, you go cut and chop am online. Everything will happen online.
That right. I know they connected now. Leave me before I connect you online. You get the one with it now. This one has the tower. They call am leg online. You go carry wire, connect for your leg.
online. Rubbish.
Come on, get away. Make...
I tell you, if you come on here now, you better think of what you do to my...
No, you won't fight me. You won't fight me online, eh?
What this is going to be here now for online? Come on, make a rubbish.
I won't go smoke online.
Don't say my hand, don't want.
Come on. I won't go smoke online.
Rubbish, man. So I will carry my hand like this, online. Online. Hey! Bishop, if you come back house, now you go die online. I will go die today online. Hey!